The MEKOH 4500 PSI surface cleaner attachment is a high-performing pressure washer accessory designed for professional cleaning tasks, featuring two high-pressure water jets that provide non-marking and thorough cleaning. With its 20-inch diameter, the surface cleaner covers a large cleaning area and significantly reduces cleaning time, making it an efficient tool for large surface cleaning. Despite its lightweight design, the surface cleaner attachment is strong and durable, with a construction that can withstand high water pressure, heat, and chemicals. The MEKOH surface cleaner is easy to operate, with two handles and four wheels that allow for effortless maneuverability and a smooth cleaning experience. This versatile tool is suitable for different types of surfaces, including concrete, wood, tile, and brick, making it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. The MEKOH surface cleaner attachment offers great value for its price, with strong after-sales service provided by the local Florida factory.